Hello, my dear students. Myself, Devi Prasad Sir, welcomes you all to this episode of physics class. In this video, you will be learning about the first chapter, that is about matter. The big idea. The kinetic theory of matter states that matter is made up of tiny particles that are always in motion. The increase or decrease in the energy of these particles determine the state of matter. Matter can exist as solid, liquid, or gas. Initiating activity. Take two plastic bags and some pebbles. Fill one of the plastic bags completely with the pebbles such that there is no empty space left in the plastic bag. Then seal this bag. Next, blow air in the other bag and seal it. Now press the plastic bags from outside, one by one. You would notice that the plastic bag containing air would get compressed and change the shape, while the bag containing the pebbles would not. Kinetic theory of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. The kinetic theory of matter explains the properties of different states of matter. The three states of matter are dependent on the intermolecular spaces and intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular spaces and intermolecular force of attraction. The space between two or more molecules of matter is called intermolecular space, and the force by which these molecules are pulled towards each other is called intermolecular force of attraction. This intermolecular force of attraction causes the molecule of the matter to come close to each other, thereby reducing intermolecular spaces. The postulates of kinetic theory of matter are given like this. All matter is made up of tiny particles, that is molecules and atoms. These particles have spaces between them. These spaces are called intermolecular spaces. These particles are in continuous random and zigzag motion and possesses kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of the particles is directly proportional to the temperature. The particles of matter attract each other with a force known as intermolecular force of attraction. The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles of matter is inversely proportional to the distance between them. The greater the distance, the weaker is the force of attraction, and vice versa. Diffusion. We can get a perfume smell even sitting at a distance. This happens because the particles of perfume mix with the particles of air around and spread out. Due to spreading of particles, the smell of the perfume goes all over the room. This intermixing of particles of two substances on their own is called diffusion. Diffusion occurs in gases and liquids. It is because their constant particles are able to move, though diffusion in liquids is slower because the particles in liquids move slowly as compared to that of gases. Diffusion does not occur in solids as their constituent particles are closely packed and are fixed at their respective positions. Now the arrangement of molecules in solids. Look at the diagram how the molecules in the solids are arranged. They are tightly packed. Now this is the diagram related to that arrangement of the particles in case of liquids. There lies some intermolecular space. And in case of the gases, this is a diagram of for arrangement of the particles. You see that there lies a large intermolecular space between two consecutive molecules or particles in gases. My dear students, now the knowledge check. Please write the answers by yourself. That is, state the differences between solids and gases in terms of intermolecular force of attraction. Second one, intermolecular spaces. Second question, explain the arrangement of particles in solids, liquids and gases. My dear students, I hope that you all understood the contents of this video. The rest part of this chapter you will get in my next video. Thank you for watching and learning from this video.